teach you how to build a red play button. So all you need to do some wool or clay. You can do it in clay if you want. But I'm gonna do mine in clay. But I think you do that. No. Okay, so I think I might build it around maybe like at one point I did get some comments, so I decided to build whatever I like now. So well, I can maybe try to teach you how to build something. Ooh, this is tricky. I think it goes right here. Oh man, why am I doing this? This is so dumb. This is gonna be difficult, guys. Okay, so see, but it looks awful right now. But trust me, I will save this. Oh! Ah! Okay, I guess we can go. But you guys can build a tower if you want. Oh no. Guys, this is going to be the worst building you guys can ever imagine. Look. Okay, now I'm just it. Oh no, I built it. No! I need to start over. I need to start all over. You know what? No. How about I build the whole way up right now? Okay, so. Okay, so what just start from scratch? I thought it would be easy, but no. By the way, my brother is playing Poke Big Bonds. What? On round 12 and not very like. Okay, and wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. No, stop it. Okay, so okay, and was it what? One. Oh, okay, so and okay, and and boom. Oh my, I need God. Okay, so why am I keep messing things up right now? Oh, this is supposed to be that way. Oh, they look better, kinda. So, okay, so, and then I don't want to make an odd shape as well. So, if a play button shape is a shape, what kind of shape is this? I never heard this kind of shape before. You know what? I'll be back. Go ahead and get the play button. I don't have my fake hand, so you guys won't be able to see. Okay. Okay. So reason I don't want to get the play button. I was thinking about it, but maybe about a minute I will play with my brother's help. So reason I need to figure out how do I invite players for my private server. If you guys do not know that, leave me a comment so I can. So and then I will learn something new from you guys. And then I will make a deal with you. You guys will be telling me what, if you teach me, you guys will be telling me what do you want me to build or play or, yeah. If I get, oh, here because we have enough space here. 1, 2, 3, and then right here. 4. You know what? Let's just do this. Let's just do this for this now. You guys can want it from other YouTube, but what is that? What is it? What is it, guys? Like, what is it? What is it? This is supposed to be a play button, but okay, so, okay, and no. Okay, I think I might want to do a diamond one instead. I think I want to do a diamond one instead. Do I? I totally forgot about the diamond. Okay, so, I totally forgot it. Okay, so, okay, so, oh man, where do I want to build it? Oh, jeez. So, I think I might want to build it like, what do, maybe right here, maybe downward a little. Okay. What is that? That looks like a massive eyeball. That looks like a massive eyeball. What is wrong? What is wrong with this? What is wrong with me? I'm so tired. I can't think properly. Okay, trying to think of a play button. Or, you know what, guys? Just do this. Just do this. Just, I don't know. You know what? I think it's not that bad. That do not look bad at all. So, guys, now you build it. So, if you guys enjoyed the video and if you want to try Minecraft for yourself,